it goes with me also. Whenever a person I'm talking to, whenever he or she speaks, use that kind of vocabulary, I really want to grab that. Yes,
Mhm.
it fascinates me a lot. Like, yeah, this word I don't know. I should know about it. So yeah, this is how I'm also using that.
A requirement to keep calm our mind, to consider the right things and focusing the better part of our life, because it's a quite difficult to maintain a distance from all of it, right? So it's our priority and get the way of thinking differently, focusing our skills, right, and developing some kinds of different skills.
All right. So
Okay,
now
then
we'll okay.
I
Okay.
really enjoy for talking to people and learning a lot of things.
Yes. So, accept this one-to-one sessions or talking to interacting with people. What are the things you are doing on a daily basis to improve your communication skills, children? I really wanted to know
uh
that.
Actually, I think 1 year before I used to reading a lot of stories, okay, novels, and yeah, talking to people as audio conversation. But after crossing 6 months, I started indulging myself in video conversation, because ultimately you have to interact with the people face to face, right? So early, I just want to get that kinds of experience, so I would be very comfortable in future. So yeah,
All right. All
nothing
right.
else I do.
Okay. That's glad to hear that. And so, I observe that you are using a very good kind of vocabulary, advanced level vocabulary sometimes. So, like for your vocabulary, what do you do on a daily basis, and what did you do in the past?
Okay, having vocabulary, because actually na I'm a kind of person like addicting by watching web series. Okay, so during watching web series, I'm getting a lot of different kinds of vocabulary. So often I pick up at least the one vocabulary. And ever I have been noticing after connecting with any learner, if they are using a different vocabulary, so I notice a lot and picking up, try to
Uh,
utilizing that vocabulary in my conversation. And
uh,
many of time now, having the exact situations included my vocabulary, I get chance to use this.
yes. So, okay. So, so are you writing somewhere, or you just keep in mind, and whenever the situation comes, you speak out? Mhm.
No, no, I do not write, because early time I think I remember when I started my journey. At that time I used to write a lot of things, okay, in my notebook. But nowadays I'm only talking to people instead of accumulating any kinds of stuff related to spoken English. So yeah, now, like when I started my journey of learning this language, at that time I used to accumulated a lot of vocabulary into my notebook, but I couldn't remember that, because
Ah,
remembering vocabulary, it's not a solution of utilizing each and every vocabulary in your conversation. By having the exact situations, relatively of this matter, then you are able to use this, right? So I always, try to just create situations. Situation give you chance to use and utilizing that vocabulary and addressing internally inside of you. So yeah, depending on only
yeah.
situation.
All right. So I really want to have this question for you, Chandan. What do you think, in your perception, grammar is important or not?
Yeah, of course, according to me, ma'am, grammar is important, but not a advanced level grammar. Basic is
Mhm.
requirement only.
I couldn't agree with you more on this point. Yeah, absolutely. Mhm.
Yeah, because knowing basic grammar, it will allow you to construct it, grammatically write sentences situationally, and obviously we somehow we are using grammar in our conversation, but we do not aware, right? How we
Yes.
know?
As per my perception, my according, yeah, basic grammar is mandatory. Mandatory, yeah. Don't need to. It's redundant, right? You don't need to go in a very advanced grammar. You don't need that. And if you are doing, grabbing the one or two words on a daily basis and try to incorporate those words in your communication, that is enough. right?
Mm.
Yeah, I'm also kind of a person who is not reading and writing. Yeah, listening I'm doing and speaking. Yeah, ultimately speaking. Yeah,
Yeah, ma'am.
it doesn't matter.
Because like I just want to share some my opinion. Like when I started learning spoken English, so grammar was the biggest, barrier of my life. Okay,
Mm,
because being a villager, right, and didn't have that much knowledge about learning this language. Okay, and not having any guidance of any people. At that time, what questions come to your mind? Learning grammar, because this is the root of a spoken English. And after that, you have to do a lot of things, right? So the first question came into my mind, like I have to be been through the grammar portions. Okay. But somehow I just got the solution by searching a
yeah,
lot of videos, content on channel, YouTube channel, having a lot of guidance of the teacher. So yeah, I somehow I take a lot.
yes, yes. So, like, okay, so did you see any kind of video of mine?
Yeah, of course, ma'am. I think recently I have watched one video of yours with Jadu boy,
Okay, okay, okay,
and another
Jadoo,
one
yeah.
Rahul Hood, which I had a session before. Rahul Hood,
Rahul
Dhun,
Doon,
I think.
Doon,
Dhun.
Doon, Doon, yeah. Okay, okay, yes, yes. And I have also watched your videos with Sunita ma'am and Sunita Rawat. I think you had a word with her.
Yeah,
Sunita,
yeah, ma'am.
right, right. So I was here. So I was, when I saw your communication skills, so I thought that I should connect with him. Yes, it will be a good opportunity for me because I also recently activated on my YouTube channel. I have although I created my channel 1 year ago, but at that time I rarely upload any video of it.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Because I also watch your many of videos of yours. I also wanted to connect with you, but the problem is that like how would I discover you? Okay.
Right, right.
Yeah. How
All right.
how I would I detect you? Where? Personally where? On the
Yeah.
Skype, I didn't aware about the name because no one, mention name of any
Yes,
communicator.
yes, absolutely. I was also looking for, so I personally messaged you on the Skype itself that, hi Chandan, so I really want to connect with you. So, but I think you might get busy at that time. So, okay, Chandan, we will gonna definitely connect again and whenever we get the time because, the video is going too long. Thank you so much for connecting me. It's such a delightful conversation with you, Chandan. And please take care of yourself, okay?
Yeah,
Don't
ma'am.
too much, get into the all unnecessary things. So, if you are well, if your mind is calm, you are able to handle all the things, all the obstacles. If you are not okay, you